boring. Heard about what? I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first, I give a fuck. I just want fun, be asleep, love, happy. Can you make me happy? Can you keep me happy? Can you distract me from all the disaster? Can you touch on me and I'll call me?
I love some of these things.
Yes.
Oh! That's good. Crushed petal. Light is that? Is that the sunset lamp?
Yeah, it's the one I think that one had at the house.
It's so pretty.
I need a new ambiance lighting because the only ambiance lighting I have is the flower lamp. And it's not that strong. I want a big one.
You see
For
her big
each
one?
room, yes. Even when I take a shit, I want to shit in ambiance.
Girl, what the fuck is you talking about?
Yeah, no, but real.
I feel like it's better to wear makeup when you do this because if dye's gonna get on the makeup, you know what I mean? You can wipe it off.
Yeah.
You know, it's like a mask.
Like a barrier.
Yes. I feel like it's already getting kind of darker.
Darker?
Yeah.
Oh, your hair, yeah. I looked outside.
Okay. Can you? Yeah, we're done. Put in that boost. Oh my god. Duo.
Literally. We're both in her hair right now.
This when your sister's a cosmetologist.
Oh no, dead ass. I use that.
This is precolor. It smells good.
On smell. Oh, that does smell good.
Okay. So put that one on. My trash bag. I hope this is enough color. Oh my god, I should have got the brush first.
Oh, bro, I could have locked it.
Oh my god.
Oh, well.
I forgot about that. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. You know, I would have been done way sooner. I swear. But that it's literally fine. Thank you so much, Sophia.
Of course.
Yeah, I think my hair looks a little magnificent.
It does. It looks magical.
Thank you, girl.
Yes.
Yeah.
Give me like 4. Like,
Wow.
It's like lady's name something Fawcett.
I don't know.
Farrah Fawcett.
Farrah Fawcett.
I said Farrah.
Farrah. Oh no, I really don't want to use it because I love how that curtain thing hangs.
Curtain bang hang. A booster.
A vista.
A booster. Liquidy. Ooh.
Brand new. He's acting like they running, they really ran through. I spent that 500 before I ever trapped you. They thought I was gonna fall off.
These are so cute.
Oh, thank you. My Hello Kitty door.
Yes.
It's already kind of turning dark. Okay, yeah, see, this shit's looking dark already.
Wow.
Period.